don't be afraid of IOAs. That's interobserver agreement. Everyone's like, I hate math, so I'm not good at IOA. And as someone who doesn't enjoy math, I can tell you that IOA math should not intimidate you. What is intimidating, however, is that there are 9 formulas, easy math formulas, but hard to memorize, being that there are 9 and they do vary slightly. But as per usual, I have some tips to make it less scary. First of all, connect the formulas by the type of data that's being agreed upon. If the measurement is count, rate, or frequency, then you're going to want to utilize one of the 3 count IOAs, total, mean, or exact count. If the measurement being compared is duration, which would also include IRT and latency, then you'll want to choose one of the 2 duration IOAs, total or mean duration. If the observers are comparing trial-based data, this would be like correct versus incorrect responses, DTT, think percentage of opportunity measures, then you'll want to use trial-by-trial IOA. And if you're looking at 2 observers' time sampling measures, then you're dealing with agreements about the occurrence or non-occurrence of behavior. In these cases, you'll want to use scored, unscored, or interval-by-interval IOA. This trick should, at minimum, help you narrow some things down in your exam questions. Now, one other bit of advice is that some of the formulas, they use the same math. So connecting those should lessen the load a little. Total count and total duration formulas, exactly the same math, just that what's being compared is different. Count versus duration. Mean count and mean duration, also the same math formula, but again, what is being compared is different. Count versus duration. And finally, trial by trial and interval by interval have the exact same math formula, but what is being compared is different, right? It's the correct and incorrect responses versus occurrence and non-occurrence of behavior. So there's obviously a lot more to know when it comes to IOAs, but with these simple tips, you can at least narrow your discriminations. And don't forget, you can use the provided calculator. It's not so scary. Am I right?